Hi, I'm Amelie. I'm a second year computer science student at the University of Manchester, and this is Day in My Life. So I'm starting my day with some volunteering. We're going to be building some hydraulic claws out of 3D printed parts on lollipop sticks, and there's going to be some school children coming in. We're going to help them build it, and it's going to get really competitive, really fun. I really enjoy volunteering because I think it's important to give back to the community and share my knowledge with those in the local area. And it's also really fun. It brightens my spirits, and it's good to get out of the classroom. So I've just finished my volunteering and it was really fun. The kids had a really great time and so did I. Now I've got a lecture, so I'll see you there. So I'm about to have my lecture now. This is a new module we've just started called Programming Languages and Paradigms. It covers kind of a wide range of different programming languages. And at the moment we're studying compilers, which is how a computer understands what you're telling it to do. I'm really looking forward to this lecture because we've done some pre-reading already and it's something I've not really learned about before. So I finished my lecture now. It was really interesting and we've got a coding lab to follow up from this lecture. So I'm going to grab some lunch with friends first and then I'm going to start working on that lab. So I've just finished eating my lunch. We're here in the Kilburn building. It's a really nice building to spend our time as computer science students. There's lots of community here, spaces to eat, spaces to study, and just to have a chat with your friends as well. Later, I'm going to do some work in a bit and then go home and get ready for my dance class. So I've just finished my lunch and now I've come to the Mega Lab to do some coursework on the computers in here. If I get a bit bored, the Turing Lounge is just across there, which I might show you later, and they have some really fun activities in there. So we got a bit bored, so we played some pool. I won, as always. Let's go. So I've just finished my work for the day. I'm going to go home now and get ready for a dance class, which I'm doing later. I'll see you there. So I'm just about to do my dance class. I really enjoy dance. I've done it since I was young and it really helps me to unwind. Manchester's a really great place for all sorts of societies. There's literally everything you could think of and everyone has a really good community spirit. So it's a really great place to come for all of that. That was really good. I really enjoyed my dance class. Thanks for coming along for a day in my life and I hope you enjoyed it.